You need an abundance mindset. Adopt a growth mindset. Cultivate a success mindset.
The most productive mindset to have in 2023.
Hey, shut up. You're confusing the people. Pablo just got done applying for an apartment, but the dude's brain is looking like some eggs. At this point, there are more mindsets out there than the number of entries in the Pokedex. It's quite a confusing time to navigate because everyone is telling you to adopt a different mindset. And also the word mindset it's just pretty freaking cringe now. Ooh, I'm adopting the goblet mode mindset. Why don't you just take a seat right there, Sasuke? Class is starting. With all these different mindsets going around, it can be confusing and you may ask yourself, well, which one do I choose? But bruh, why don't we just pick all the positive ones? Get out of my classroom. The problem with this approach is that there are a lot of mindsets that conflict with one another. Like there's one for making your business your primary focus, and then there's another one for making true love your primary focus. They're both good things, but it comes down to your beliefs for which one you'd want to prioritize based on your beliefs. What? So here we go. I'm going to teach you how to adopt multiple mindsets and how to balance them and not feel overwhelmed. So we got number 1, assess your beliefs. For achieving goals in life, you need to know what you want to focus on, and you should base it off of your beliefs. And I'd recommend that if you're unsure as to what your beliefs and values are, dedicate some time to figuring that out. You can do that through educating yourself or looking at your passion and behaviors. What's that one thing you keep coming back to? Like, do you wake up in the morning and think something like I have to keep writing my book? Like somebody is talking to you about how they want to learn Spanish, and if they learn Spanish, they can speak Spanish.
This conversation is really boring. I really want to go and write my book right now.
So if you find yourself constantly being drawn to like a certain belief or an idea that you want to focus on, pick a mindset that complements that belief or pushes the idea further. Number 2, actually pick some mindsets. Don't forget, we're building a sandwich here. I spent 3 years working at Arby's in my youth, and if I've learned anything, it's that a sandwich starts with a bun. So this is what I consider to be like your overarching mindset. Like pretty much the mindset you want to take everywhere. For example, mine is that if I keep doing an action over and over again with progression in mind, I will become good at it. So, weightlifting. The more I go to the gym, the closer I will be to looking like War Chief Filbert over here. Progression is key. And we're not talking about the definition of insanity of trying the same thing over and over again expecting a different outcome. No, like this applies to language learning, cooking, etc. Like the more you practice that skill, the better you will become at it. So that's my bun. You need to decide your own. And then you can put some other mindsets in there that complement what you have going on. So similar to making a sandwich, I don't imagine that people would enjoy a peanut butter and mayonnaise sandwich. So pick things that go well together. Example, in complementing my bun mindset, I've got the mindset that if someone else has done something, I can also do that same thing. So if somebody has gotten the physique that I want, there is also a way for me to achieve the same results. So have fun picking those. Number 3, take a bite. See how you feel running with these newly assessed and organized mindsets and how it affects your life and if the effect is positive or not. If you think the sandwich needs some lettuce, go ahead and put that in there. If you want to switch out the bun, go ahead, champ. And to complement this video, I've got one on how to actually achieve goals. So watch that, and don't forget, boys, we're all gonna make it.